Welcome. This will be the third video in the series of Wi-Fi extender. Actually, I had made this video a couple of while back, maybe in July, but the video was taken down by YouTube. So I want to make it again. So this time I will demonstrate the web UI. To install the web UI, first I have cloned the GitHub repo. Now I will just check the files. Yes, so I enter the folder. Okay, inside the folder we can see there is web UI. So I enter the folder web UI. Okay, over here. Fine. So now what we need is there are two dependencies, Wi-Fi and Flask. They are Python packages and can be installed using pip. We want to take the SSID and the password from the form which the user submits, and we just have to run the command to connect to the Wi-Fi. So we can use any server. Since I knew Python, I use Flask. Okay, so now it has started to install the downloaded packages. Okay, so it is completed. We have to run a command with root privileges, app.py. Okay, sorry. Yes. Okay, still the same error, no module name Flask. Actually, I have installed it just now. Okay, so what I was thinking is I'll install Flask globally and try to run the script again. So okay, so installation is finished. Now I'm trying to run the script again. I'll try the same thing. I'll just install it as root Wi-Fi, right? Yes, Wi-Fi. Okay, so the download is also done. Just run the script now. Okay, so the server has started, and I should be getting the page now. Okay, so here is the form. Now over here I have to type the SSID of the access point to whom I want to connect and its password. So what I will do is just check a Wi-Fi over here. TP link. Okay, so I have entered the password and after just click connect, the Pi will reboot. Okay, yes, so it has shut down. I have to just wait for some time, like 1-2 minutes, and I should get the AP again over here. Just turn it off and on. Okay, so the AP is loaded. I can connect to it now. Once I connected, I'll just check if it is working. The Pi is connected to the AP. So now I'll go to the script. Raspberry. Okay, so I'll go to the directory. Okay, the web UI, nano. Yes, so over here we are just importing the Flask and Flask and connect is from the Wi-Fi module. The process is used to run the Linux command. So over here first we are creating an instance of Flask and we are defining two routes. First slash, where we will be showing the form, and over here we are just returning a HTML page that is done using render template, and this index.html will contain the form. Now we are getting another route, that is /connect, and what will be done here is whatever data the form will be sending is collected over here. The data will be sent using post request, and what we are doing is we are storing the SSID and password from the form and using this connect.scheme WPA call to connect to the access point. That is, we are selecting the interface and passing the key value pair for SSID and password, and we are loading it in the WPS applicant file. Now once that is done, to take effect we just restart the system. So that is done in this command over here. And finally, server, what we are doing is now coming to the part where we auto start the server. So what has to be done for that is we have to create a systemd service, and we can do it by like server.service. In what I'm doing is I'll just clear the screen and nano slash lib. Okay, I will need sudo nano over here systemd slash system. You can give any name over here. It will just be a startup file, like how we have in Windows we have had to startup, like we can add programs. I'll just name it server.service, and I'll just add this content over here. This first we define the unit part in which we have the description and when the file should run. Unit, and we add a description. Can add any text over here. I'll just write Wi-Fi server. Okay, and we have to specify when to run. So in Linux there are like run levels. When the boot process starts, there is each stage, and we can fine tune when we want to launch the service. And then multi dash user dot target. Now we are defining the service type, service. In this block we have two parameters, that is type, idle, and here we have to specify the path of the executable, that is exec start equal to slash user slash bin slash python 3, since we are using python 3. And now we specify the path to the script, that is home slash py slash web UI slash app dot py. Okay, now final block, install wanted by the same thing, the run level we have to type it again. No need of space actually. Yes, x y and enter to save the file. Now what we have to do this, the service which we have created, we have to enable it. That is, we have to make sure that it loads on every reboot. What we have to do is sudo systemctl. Yes. Okay, there is some error. Check over here, where is it? Okay, wanted by, okay, I should not have put a space over here. The B should be capital. Yes, relax y, enter to save it. And yes, so link is created. Now I have to just start the server. Now it will run automatically on each boot. Start. Okay, to check the status we have to just change this. Okay, there is some error over here. The path is wrong. Here. So over here I forgot to put the Wi-Fi extender. Wi-Fi extender. Yes. I'll just start it again. Yeah, it should be running. Yes, it is running. And now it is done. You can just restart it and check if it is working or no. Thanks for watching the video.